Hi, it's Jen here with another process video for a digital scrapbooking page. I'm doing another challenge for CSI, and I'll leave the link to their website below if you want to join in. Okay, so these are the clues and the evidence and the testimony. They're doing it a new way now, so you can pick as many as you want and as many colors as you want. We're just kind of drawing our scrapbook page from this inspiration right here. But really, you don't even have to use the colors. But I like to mainly go off this list and do as many as I can. So let's get started here. I looked at this picture and right away reminded me of Hawaii. I went to a cropping cruise in Hawaii in 2012. It was amazing, and I have tons of pictures to scrapbook, so I thought this is a perfect time to do it. So I love these colors. It just screams tropical and holiday and Hawaii and all that. So I looked at the list here just briefly, and first one it said was solid white background. So I thought I'm going to start there. So we'll go over, and I made a new document and I put a white piece of cardstock there, a white layer. Okay, next I started with my photos. Brought my photos onto the canvas, and I did arrange them already. So I kind of played around with the configuration of the photos, and I think I like this one the best. I wanted this photo to stand out. So next I want to pull some papers in. Now I decided I like this color. Now the collection I'm using is Hipster. The papers aren't exactly like this because what I did was I used her collection, but because we needed to use certain colors, I just recolored it to match my photos and to go along with the CSI colors that they're using for this challenge. So that one looks pretty good. Then I found another paper. Let's see here. Found this cute eyeglass paper, and I just recolored everything to match my colors again. And I thought that's looking pretty good here. Now I need some more here. So I wanted to start adding something on the background. It said over here that mixed media background. Okay, so solid white background and mixed media. I kind of mix them together. So let's see here. I think we'll just get rid of these papers so I can see the background, because I'm liking those papers, so I'm going to use that. So next I want to use this design here, and so it looks like texture paste with a stencil. I really love this design. It's gorgeous. So that looks great. And then I wanted to add some color. So I chose, let's see, I chose some sprays. So I add a little pink there, a little green, and a little bit of blue. I kind of like that. I mean, it's pretty soft, not real bright, but that's okay because we got the bright papers. So next, we'll put those papers back. Oh, this is looking really good. But I kind of wanted something here, maybe something down here. So I found these cute little flowers. So I thought I'd add them there. And I added a few more at the bottom. I really like that. So it's kind of giving you a downward diagonal feel. Okay, I think I need a mat behind this photo because I like matting my important photos, the one that has to stand out on the page, and I want this one to stand out. So I put a nice little pink mat behind it. That kind of makes it pop. Okay, next on the page, I kind of wanted to make some clusters. Maybe one here or over here. One down here for sure. Not sure. Maybe something up here too to kind of draw you onto the page and diagonally down. So let's see what we can come up with here. Okay, I found this cute little crocheted flower. Then I found this really nice pink one here. That's pretty. Okay, now let's see. Found this cute flare. That's gonna look good. And this cute little meadow flower. Kind of bumped it up against the flare there because I kind of need to spread some orange around too. Then I found this cute little heart paper. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a paper clip, but I thought I'm going to use it as one. So I put that there because it's really cute. Just adds a playfulness. And they said they wanted hearts on the challenge. Next, I found this pretty bluish green flower for that corner. Because I did try the cluster over here and it just looked bare over here. So I left it there. Now, I'm trying to think, maybe I need something up here because we've got pink, pink, and then we kind of need another pink up here. Well, I found this pink, green, and orange piece of washi tape. That was part of the Hipster collection. I just recolored it. And then I added this blue stitching so we can have something blue up there. So we have 3 blues. Added that cute little puffy heart. Love it. And that's bringing some more pink up to the corner. Because I'm kind of using this washi tape as a base. Then I needed something orange, so I found this cute little button with some twine in it. And that looks really good. Because you're kind of seeing the orange, orange, orange. I might cover that orange up because I kind of want orange, orange, and then I needed something else down here. So let's see if we can find something. There we go. Found this cute little kind of wooden piece here. That looks cute. So now I've got the 3 pieces of orange kind of in a triangle, visual triangle. Okay, so now I need my title. Okay, so I found this cute title. I just kind of did Hawaiian, kind of made it look like it was shiny and like chipboard. And then Oasis is kind of, you know, looking like the foam stickers you get. So I love that title. I love the way it shows up like that. Next, I need to do my journaling. I found this great label and I just popped it up with some shadowing and I put my journaling there. And then I just needed a little bit something here. So I found another piece of stitching and added it there. Now let's just zoom in a bit here so we can see it better. There we go. There is my finished layout. We've got all the texture pieces here and everything flows in a downward diagonal. We kind of got a visual triangle here. And let's go over and see what we found with the clues, the evidence here. We found solid white background. We used flowers on the layout. We used a mixed media background also. We used hearts. And we used a summer memory. So that is it, this wonderful layout and my thinking process behind it. If you like what you see, just hit subscribe. And also check me out on my blog at www.myscrapmenagerie.com and just sign up for my Scrappy Club through email, and you will get any new posts automatically sent to you, and you'll also get notifications of when I have any product for sale or any coupons or any information or any courses coming up. So make sure you sign up for that on my blog. See you next time.